Hi viewers, I'm going to Mama because she needs to unbreathe the Chevy Fishy guys. You can say so, huh?
Yeah, that's unboxing.
Yeah, I wanna what's inside you, my Chevy Fishy guys.
Okay.
Whoa! Sorry, Mom.
Oh, so excuse me, nag-record tayo.
Box.
Ano to kung pinaka-kusina?
Let me sleep yet one more thing. Ah, Jim. Ow, that's Jim. Yes, Jim. Daddy, Jim na. Jim, ako lakdo. Need some pillow cushions. Looks like toilet paper. I need to
Dito sa...
see ko
Dili na
na.
hilagtan.
Checks ko.
Dito si Bob. Excuse
Checks
me.
ko sa. Ako tanawon.
Sa ba, excuse.
Uy, tanawon ko. Yes, I knew it.
Excuse me.
Looks like toilet paper, Mom. Then, wait.
Self-test.
I make a tower.
Alay kuan.
Wala na, guys.
Hey.
That tower.
Hawak sa...
Tumwa.
Asa man ni?
Use this.
Walang